So guys, recently we hit 600 subs. So here's my audio setup where I record voice. Let me show you everything. First of all, my gaming chair. I know not a real, but for me it's a gaming chair. Let's move on. Second thing. So here is my mic stand and mic, and inside a pop filter. You can see and made by all my hands. Then the third thing I would like to show you, it's my earbuds. And the next is my mic connector which I use to record voice. And then is this my phone stand made by my hands. Here is my old mic stand which I used before, then this one which I used to record now. And then here's my own blue cloth laptop which is very bad. I show you stats here. And let me turn on RGB of this room. And guys, tell me if you want full detailed part, so please take me to 750 subs. This video recorded 3 days ago and I remake the mic stand, so here is.